What's good, everybody? It's your boy Jefe coming to you with a new unboxing. You know what I'm saying? I got some heat coming in from Finish Line. Got some good deals on them. I know it's the end of the summer, so there we go. Woo! Look at this. Got this new heat. Got a lot of stuff in this box. You know. Ooh, wee! We got some heat, boys. Starting out. So we got, you know the box, you know what it is. So we got the Air Max 270 React Phantom University Gold. Super pop. Got it in size 11.5. Goodness. I like that colorway, man. I had to get these. I saw, Mr. Foam Simpson. Boy, Foamy. It's crazy with it. Oh, it was a mark. Oh, it's just 30 yards. This is crazy. The 270 React. Sole at the bottom. Man, these are clean. Fire right here. I like them, man. The React. Woo! See that insole? Yeah, look at that insole. It's crazy. It has like that. Alright, that's the 270. Those Reacts. We got here. Ooh wee! Ooh wee! Man, I like these already. My goodness. These are gold toes lows. Ooh. Man. That's nice patent leather. Well, he's clean in person, man. I gotta get the retro highs, man. Just a clean shoe, man. Just a clean shoe. Man. It's a crazy silhouette. Just simple and clean. Gold, white, and black. Nice patent leather. Nice. And that's the Air Jordan 1 Low metallic gold, black and white. Man, size 11.5. Paid retail. I can't see how somebody go on. I mean, I know you guys got it, but $110, $125 for those shoes? Hell no. And last but not least, bro, I had to, man, because if you don't know me, I love blue. Blue's my favorite color. Blue, black. That's my favorite color, man. So we're going with another low, Air Jordan 1 Low, Sport Royal, black and white, Sport Royal. Woo! My goodness. This thing, woo, hits. Golly. Bruh, these are fire. Bruh, these are clean. I mean, the leather on these, ooh, this is nice. Man, I'm telling you, these and that gold toe, I gotta get the UNC lows for these, man. If these like this, ooh, my goodness. Bruh, this is straight heat right here, man. It comes laced up for you. Smell check. Man. Brand new, boys. Boy. Ooh! And it's crazy, man. They got a blue tip lacings. Man, this might be my favorite one. I know y'all, okay, I have the shadows here, so I have basically the complete set. Almost a complete set. Put that box on the side. Ooh. thumbnail right here. This is crazy. What's your favorite pair? Almost got the infinity ring here. Oh damn, they are clean as hell, man. What is your favorite pair, man? These are nice, bro. These are nice, bro. These are nice and clean. I love that blue, man, and that gold toe. I mean, if they had the shot of backboard leather, man, I keep hearing about that. I never experienced it, but I keep hearing about it. If they had that leather, woo. Leather, man. Yeah, I don't really like the. It's a pretty shoe, but it just is. I don't know if it's nubuck or I guess suede. Yeah, man, but it's still a dope silhouette. But these two go hard, bro. I'm just saying, like the leather on these. Bro, I had to get it. I love Jordan 1s, man. Jordan 1s are dope. These are nice. I had to get a little thumbnail in there. But anyhow, that's my pickup. These lows, man, they are nice, man. Dope shoe, dope shoe. Anyway, guys, I hit you up on the next pickup, but I got some heat, man. All right. Yet again, my name is Jefe. I hope you tuned into my channel. It's about my life, my pickups, you know. I love sneakers, I love food, you know what I'm saying? Just things I like, you know. If you like it, I love it, man.